All right, guys, in this series of videos, I'm making how to be a good team player or a teammate. So say you want to help your friend. In the last video, I showed you guys how to throw your med kit or your blue shield water. Well, say you want to give your friend your gun. Say you want to get something else, like you see some nitro fists, and then so you want to get those, and you're going to give up your gun, or you want to give your friend like the nitro fist, whatever. This is a little bit more complicated. It's unlike the med kit where you can't just like aim and throw it. What you have to do is actually push up, go into this menu screen, go down to the thing you want to get rid of, and then you'll see right here, push the square to drop the item. So then, so I'm going to go ahead and show you again. So then look, I'm going to now go here to that. I'm going to drop that item. And then say I'm a really good friend, I'm going to give you my guitar as well. Then I'm going to go to that and then drop the item as well. And now I have nothing and I might die. But anyways, you guys get the point. I have to go now. The storm's here. See you next time. Bye.